I was asked in the comments, does this leak anymore now I've done the P gasket? Well, one thing I forgot to show you is I always do a pressure test before a car goes, and that's it there. It's on 15 psi or thereabouts, and I leave it for 10-15 minutes and see if it leaks. But the problem with that is that that system there leaks a little bit of air through that valve, which isn't wholly accurate, but it's close enough. But it's enough to pressurise the system and see if there's any leaks. And you can probably see down there that's nice and dry now. I've taken the cover off, you know, that soundproofing cover, and just checked the hose connections here, 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 and anywhere really that you've been playing around with. You know, down here, make sure there's no leaks. The thing is, one of these little kits, which is here, is sort of invaluable. So if you've got a few of you guys club together and get a kit, because it's a universal one, you know, guys who play around with cars, what you shouldn't do with these kits is run the engine whilst it's under pressure. Why? Because that is not a relief cap, and you can easily get up to 20-25 pounds pressure without any relief, and you'll start blowing the reservoirs and things. So you don't want that. But this one's quite good. It's never, not a trouble. And so I think we'll finish that test. Let the air out. There we go, back down to 0. The connector in here isn't the world's best. This fit in here, it's not the world's best, but it's good enough. So there you go, that's how I test them before they go out, and just to make sure there are no leaks. Alright? We'll see you later. Bye bye.